Hello everyone. Welcome back in our channel How to Use. Here I am going to show you how to make PDF in mobile phone. It's very easy to make. Keep watching full video then you can understand. First of all, open your Play Store and search Scanner app. Now you can see lots of Scanner app here. Slowly scroll down, click on blue icon app, tap Scanner. Tap on plus button, click on camera, and click photo of your document or anything. Select perfect photo sizes and continue. Now change a file name. And done. Upper right side of corner, you can see download icon. Click on it and download the PDF in regular mode. Go in your phone file manager. Now go in documents. Here you can see your saved PDF. I hope it will help you. Subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.